Alright, you can see we're back. This 1/4" mill bit has now bored the perfect 22mm hole, which at 0.866, so 866 thousandths. Now, in order to hold this down, we want to drill into this substrate below, tap it a 1/4 and then we're going to take a bolt and washer and hold the center down while we cut the outside template. Now notice we're just doing this on a little piece of scrap, so we might have a little hole in there, but this is just for a demonstration. So let's shut the doors, hit the cycle start. Now we're going to drill in. We're just going to leave it. I'm going to leave the drill off with the coolant. But we got to blow that hole out. So now it's going to come up. Grab a tap. It's going to do a couple pecks just like you do. In and out, break the chip. Alright, now it's going to stop. So we are going to shut this coolant down now. We're going to pop this open. We're going to washer this down here. Okay, that's tightened down. We can hit our cycle start now. And the rest will be a perimeter. And this is going to plunge down at, I believe, 1/16 of an inch the whole way. You can see it cutting around. We'll throw some coolant on there just to give you an idea as it cuts. So you'll see the template here. Gonna get around that washer, and we'll see. We'll probably have a little hole left in there. So as we get this done, this is the first pass, the first step. You shut the coolant off, you can actually see the chips building up. So we want coolant, keep it cool, clear the chips, have a nice cut. You can see that if we look over here right now, we're at a depth of -0.125. Now it went up another 0.0625, so 1/16 of an inch. So it's 4 passes. She'll be through, and then we can remove the fidget spinner. So this should be done in a little less than a minute. Bear with it here. You can actually speed the feed rate up. Go. And got a 1/4 inch pass here. Right to the depth. We'll see, hopefully it loosens up. If it doesn't. Alright. So if we look here, there's our fidget spinner, cut, South S. If everything goes as planned, if we loosen this up, we can undo the piece, and here's our fidget spinner. You can see a little hole there from the waste. Now we'll press a bearing in.